Hi guys, welcome to my channel. The tablet in your pocket. The Galaxy Z Trifold is Samsung's new massive leap in the foldable technology. It's not just a phone that becomes a tablet. It's a smartphone that unfolds into a massive mini monitor. The signature feature is dual-hinge, three-segment design. It is expected to fold into a standard smartphone size. Reports suggest a stunning foldable dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X main screen with a expected 10 inches screen size and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The sheer real estate means you can run 3 full-size apps. The smartphone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 for the Galaxy with a powerful octa-core CPU and GPU of 18 for best graphic results. RAM will be 12 GB and storage will be 512 GB. There will be a triple camera setup back on the phone. Leak says to include a 200 megapixel sensor. Battery will be around 5700 mAh with fast charging support. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.